Hello and welcome to our last day of advice on what to buy a motorcyclist in your life for Christmas. And today we are going for the real kind of budget saving £0 to £25 price range. So all of these things are nice and cheap, great little stocking fillers that will make anyone in your life who likes motorcycles happy on Christmas Day. The first thing is quite simple, mugs. This is just a plain white mug, probably not the kind of gift you're thinking of, but I'm just using it as an example. You can get all sorts of mugs from your favorite manufacturers, from Triumph, from Honda, whatever kind of bike you have, you'll find a mug with their name on it. That's a great present. We also have some really nice Woodrows ones coming in, which we don't have yet, which is why I'm holding a plain white one. And they're black with the Woodrows logo on. They look really nice and classy, great for a Christmas present. But not just normal mugs. There's loads of different mugs. You can get the kind of little mug, like kind of coffee cup mugs, takeaway mugs, little bottles, anything like that are great Christmas presents for a motorcyclist. Now, moving on to our next idea for a present, and they are these. These are Klim neck socks, and we have more of them, okay? So they come in lots of different colours. They're simply like the kind of, neck socks, or the kind of brand name that everyone knows, which is Buff. They're kind of nice gaiters that go around your neck and just stop you getting cold. They are just a brilliant gift for Christmas, and they're so varied as well. You get so many different colours and things like that. So highly recommend those as a Christmas present for anyone who likes motorcycles. Next, we don't have it. Okay. Next is something we also don't have here, and it's multi-tools. So have a look at this picture. This is a multi-tool that we're getting in for Christmas, but we're filming this quite before Christmas, so we haven't actually got them yet, which is these nice little kind of multi-tool cards that go in a little wallet. But any kind of little gadget like that, motorcyclists love gadgets. I mean, essentially, a motorcycle is a big gadget. So anything like that, any of these little multi-tools you can get, any kind of little screwdriver sets and things like that, highly, highly recommend. They are brilliant presents for Christmas. Next, earplugs. Now, actually, these are fantastic. These are the Alpine hearing protection earplugs, and they do various different versions. You have this one, which is the Tour and the Race, or you get this pack, which I'm not going to lie, this is a double pack. It comes with one set of Race and one set of Tour and a little plastic. Now, this actually does come a couple of quid over our £25 mark, but you don't need to buy the double set. You can get those. Your Race ones are the slightly quieter ones, and your Tour ones aren't quite as quiet. The whole point of these is, what they do is, rather than dumbing down all your senses, so if you put a normal earplug in, you can't, everything goes muffled. What this does is it has a tiny hole that means that you can still hear everything perfectly. It's just like the volume's been turned down, so nothing becomes muffled, just the volume's turned down. And actually, for riding, these are fantastic. Highly recommend these, and a great Christmas present. Next, if the rain lets us do it, because it's so rainy today.
All three or
one at a time? One at a time, please. Moisturization, moistening. You might think that, bearing in mind it's pouring with rain here, that moisturising isn't important, but it is, especially on your lips. And Klim do these lovely little kind of lip chap, UVA lip protection, lip balm little packs. And they are great, especially when it gets colder and you're riding on the bike. You will find that you get very sore, dry lips. They come in a range of different flavours. You've got vanilla, this is a minty one, and a little cherry one. And these are just great for any motorcyclist to kind of keep in their tank bag, keep in their pocket, so that they can not end up having sore chap lips because of the cold winter weather. Now, last but not least, t-shirts again. We did t-shirts in the higher bracket, but you often find that you can find them in this lower bracket between £0 and £25 as well. And if you're lucky, the quality will stay the same as they will in the more expensive ones. For instance, here we have a Woodrows t-shirt, lovely quality cotton, all responsibly sourced cotton, etc., etc. And there's loads of different designs. So this design, which is our logo, there's this design, which is our ride and die, which has been one of our ride or die, which has been one of our biggest sellers out of our t-shirts. Comes in black and white. This kind of cool retro one that also comes in black and white. This one with a cool bike on that comes just in white. Actually, it doesn't come in black at all. But my point is, t-shirts, again, you can't go wrong with a t-shirt for a motorcyclist for Christmas. Now, I hope that's been some use to you, all of those different ideas. If you've got any other ideas for Christmas gifts in the kind of ranges, feel free to comment on the various videos and tell us what you think a great gift is for Christmas. And we hope you have a fantastic Christmas and a great new year, and keep riding over the winter. We'll catch you all soon. Bye-bye. Okay, you're still here, which I'm guessing means that you didn't really find what you were looking for with our present list. So can I give you one final suggestion? Woodrows do digital gift cards. You can get them online and then you can redeem them for anything you like in store. You can put them towards a Klim Badlands jacket. You can buy loads of little Klim chapsticks. You can do whatever you like with them, but they are a fantastic gift. So if nothing else floats your boat, why not get a gift card? Right, you can go now because I'm done.